Hi guys, this is Jasmine from Excited for Coupons, and today we have the ad that's going to be starting for this Sunday, August 19th. So I'm going to showing you some deals, and some of them possibly it could be free. It also depends if you got any of these coupons in the red box machine. As you can see there, the red box machine is where you scan your card and you receive some of those coupons that I call them ECC, Extra Care coupons. So starting the ad. So on the cover, the first thing you see on the left side is the L'Oreal 2 for 8. It says we're expecting a coupon 3 on 2, and that everybody's going to be receiving the red box machine a coupon that is going to deduct 2 off 2. I did a quick calculation to see if it's going to be a good deal based on the information we have in the ad, and it's not a good deal, but I'm going to share with you. It will come out to $1.50 each. So you buy 2 for 8, you use that coupon from CVS and also the coupon that we're expecting, you pay $3 and the total will be $1.50. It's not the best deal, so sometimes we sometimes see them 75 cents or sometimes free, but if you're running on low versus $4, it is a good deal. So now we're seeing in the ad more promotions of beauty, makeup, and they're promoting a lot of the new items. You're going to be seeing Maybelline is spend 15 get 5, and the CoverGirl and Revlon is buy one and get the other one 50% off. I prefer the deals when you actually get ECB, but I think CoverGirl's this week's deal is much better because it's a moneymaker. So here are some quick deal ideas for Maybelline. You could buy 3 of the blush or any items that is for $5.79. Use 3 coupons that will deduct $2, so you'll pay $11.37. You get back 5 ECB when you spend $15. And your final price is $6.37 or $2.12. But if you have this coupon or anything similar about cosmetics deducting 4 off 15 or something similar, do the same deal. You will pay $7.37 when you get back 5 ECB, making it just $2.37 or 79 cents each. But if you really want to try out some new items from Maybelline, you could buy the lipstick, 2 of those, use 2 of those coupons, and that cosmetic coupon from CVS. You pay $8.58. And the total will be 179 cents each for a new item. On the ad, we will see food items on the corners on special or special price. The pills, the vitamins, buy one get one free. Persil $4.94. We're expecting a $2 coupon. The water is going to be on special too, Aquafina, and but on that section that is pink, you're going to be seeing L'Oreal is spend 15 get 5, and L'Oreal facial care spend 30 get 10 ECB. So here's a deal idea for the L'Oreal. Also, they're promoting new items. There's a lot of new items from L'Oreal, so I'm going to be sharing a scenario so you can see if it's a good deal for you. Since you have to spend 15, here's an idea. You could get this new item. It's a blush that smells like peach. It's called Paradise Enchanted. And you could get the concealer. The total will come out to $21.98. You could use 2 coupons deducting $3 for face products. Use that coupon if you have from CVS deducting 4. You pay $11.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it $3.49 for each item, which is not bad, especially for a new item from L'Oreal. Here's another idea. You could buy 2 of the lipstick, the balm, and use 2 of those coupons, and also use that coupon if you have it for CVS for cosmetics. You pay $6.50 and you get back 5 ECB, making it just 79 cents for each balm. Another idea is sharing a palette that is also a new item, and you know the eyeshadow palettes are more expensive. So what you could do is buy one of the palettes for $14.99, use 1 coupon, and use that coupon if you have for CVS. You pay $7.99, you get back 5 ECB, and it will just be $2.99 for the palette. That's a pretty good deal. So at the bottom of the first page, you're going to be seeing a lot of different products that you could buy, mix and match, spend 15 and you get 5 ECB. One of the ones that I was able to search and saw that it was a really good deal was the St Ives. And on the paper, on the flyer, you'll see that it's a limited one. And it just says selected, Dove, and St Ives is in that list. So let me show you a quick deal that I got. Since the flyer says selected items, I'm going to go ahead and go with the face wash. So remember, it's buy one, get one 50% off. So we got a face scrub for $4.49 and the other face scrub for acne control, $5.49. You buy 2 of each, since one is going to be at $5.49, the one's going to be at $2.75. In total, will be $14.98. You will use this coupon deducting 3 off 2, and this coupon expires on Sunday, so you can only do this deal on Sunday if this St. Ives is included on the deal. So you will pay $8.90 and you get back 5 ECB, making it 99 cents each. But if you do have a CVS coupon that when you scan your card on the red box, that it states any facial moisturizers or cleansers, you could use it since you already reached $14. So you use that coupon to do the same deal idea, and you pay $4.98 after the ECB for $5, it'll be totally free. So just verify that is selected on the deal. So continuing that with that page, you will also see the M&Ms for $2.99 and you'll get 1 ECB. There is also a coupon, but I think it was regional. On the second page, it continues with school supplies, and some of them continuing, so to be buy one get one or buy one get one 50% off. And kids are already going back to school, so in case you do need something, don't forget that some of them do have a coupon. We see the Lysol is going to be buy one get one 50% off. The Swiffer, Mr. Clean, there's going to be a few items there selected like Cascade, and then we're going to see Downy, and Tide Bounce, and it's going to be for $4.95 the price. And also there's going to be some coupons in the CVS app that you could send it to the card if those are items that you're wanting to get for that ad. Also, you see that the Charmin and Bounty, the mega ones, are going to be on special for the price is going to be for $12.99. Continuing on the next page, we're going to be seeing a lot of the candy. It's going to be buy one get one 50% off. There is a printable for the Twix. It does have a limit. I think it's 1.6 ounce, and I don't know the price for that yet, but keep an eye out on that because I think it will be a good deal. So I'm going to provide that in the description box in case you want to print that coupon. Because the deal is buy one get one and 50% off. On the other side, the summer items are going to be on special, 50% from regular price. Also, the tie is going to be for $2.94, and in the CVS app, there's going to be a coupon for $1, so you can send it to your account. And this other chocolate and like the Hershey's cookies 2 for $6, and other type of candy like Dove for $2.99. So those are the candy section you could say in this ad. Also, the American Home Yankee candle is going to be spend 20 get 5 ECB. So that looks like an interesting deal. And the dishwashing liquid for 99 cents. On the next page, that yellow section, it says spend 20 get 5 on, and so you could mix and match. You see Nature Valley, Cheerios, Progresso. So I did a little deal idea. Keep in mind that this is if you also have the Saving Star app. So select these items in case you're interested on this deal idea. Since you need to reach 15, here's what I was able to put together. Buy 4 the Nature Valley and 2 of the Cheerios. Use 6 coupons that they have for Nature Valley, also for the Cheerios in the Smart Source. The thing is that you have to make sure that you look at the coupons. So it could be specific for the Nature Valley if it's the granola bars, and also for the Cheerios, because the Saving Star has different options for Nature Valley. They have 2 for the Nature Valley and 1 for the Cheerios. So select those. Make sure that everything does match, and those are the items that you select in the store. If they're all matched, you will pay $12. You get back 5 ECB, but you should be getting the rebate back from Saving Star of a total of $2. So your final price will be 83 cents for each item. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So as you can see in the yellow section, you could just mix and match and see which one is a better offer for you. Then you will see the Select Gold and Blend buy one get one 50% off. Also, the nut or the trail mix for $2.99. So on this page, it's going to continue with a lot of deals from ice cream and like the Hot Pockets, the bars, the Kind bars. Spend 10, I think you get 3 ECB, the Frosted Flakes. So those are some meal deals there. On the following page, you're going to be seeing the makeup section. There's a lot to choose from, like Physicians Formula, spend 10, get 7. You're going to see Wet n Wild, spend 10, get 5. NYX Professional, spend 15, get 5. Milani, spend 10, get 3. And for the Rimmel, which is letter E, spend buy 2, get 5. So I have a few deal ideas here that I want to show you. Since I don't see any coupons for Wet n Wild yet, this is a deal idea. If you receive this coupon in the red box, sorry guys, I didn't list it in there, but in case you receive this coupon that says 4 off 12 for Wet n Wild, this is a deal idea. You could buy 3 blush or any item that's for $2.99, 2 of the lipstick or any other item that is for that price, so you will reach $11.95. You use that coupon deducting 4, and you pay $7.95. You get back 5 ECB, making it a total of 59 cents, and the limit of this deal is up to 3 times. For the Rimmel, you could buy 2, use 2 coupons, deducting 2, you pay $5.18, you get back 5 ECB, and it just be 18 cents for each item for the brow this way, or just 9 cents, or any other item that you see that is on that price, and you could use that coupon also. Coupons.com had a coupon for $3, so if you have that coupon, you was able to print it, it will be just money maker. Another deal idea, if you have this coupon from the Redbox machine, deducting 2 off A, you could do that same deal idea I just shared. Use that coupon, you pay $3.18, and you get back 5 ECB, making it free, or $1.82. But if you do have that $3 coupon, it will be a bigger money maker. So as you can see, there was some good makeup items there. The Ardell falsies, oh my god, they're really good, especially the Fox Mink, I think it's called. So it's good that you'll be getting, you could spend 4 and you get back, you spend 10 and you get back 4 ECB, so I think that's a good deal too. So as you can see, there's many good items there for makeup, and those are the ones that I was able to see. But during the week, I'm gonna see if there's any to confirm the coupons that we're expecting for this Sunday, and see what good deals I find. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see the best deal video that I will be able to share. Here you're going to be seeing the same thing, the L'Oreal spend 15 get 5, and also the L'Oreal again spend 30 and get 10 ECB, which we already seen that in another page. Also the L'Oreal hair care, we saw that in the front page as well. But then it's showing the other, the Evercare shampoo. On this section is all about hair care. You'll be seeing spend 15 get 5 for mix and match items there, and it will be buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you see Dove, Degree, Tresemme, St Ives. So it looks like a good deal. Also the OGX dry shampoo is going to be for $6.99. Buy 2 and you get 4. I think there's a coupon. But I will come up with the best deal ideas, and if I see that's the best deal, I'm going to share that as well. And there's a lot of good options here, for the Nivea. That's the one that I saw a coupon for. The Nivea in shower is for $6, and you buy 1 and you get 2 ECB. And we see the right card is going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 4 and you get 5 ECB. Also the Irish Spring is going to be on special. I don't see any coupons, so I didn't create a deal idea yet, but if I see a coupon, I will share that with you. This one is spend 20 get 5, and it does list the Pantene and the Head and Shoulder herbal essence, and they do show different prices. If I see a good deal, I'm going to share that with you as well. On the other side, any CVS oral care is spend 15 and get 5. So for the hair color, the brand Garnier's buy 2 get 3 ECB, and it says we're gonna be receiving a $2 coupon. Don't forget you buy 7 hair color products over time and get the 8th free. So that will be activated in your account. So the following page, you're gonna be seeing spend 15 get 5 on selected Dove Men and Care or Axe hair care, and it's also gonna be buy 1 get 1 50% off. The Crest, some products from Pro Health, you spend 12, you get back 4 BCB, and there's a coupon, you can send it to your CVS app. And this is all a section all about oral care, at least on the top, as you can see, for Listerine and the Arm & Hammer, buy 1 get 1 50% off. Even Fix-It-In, buy 2 get 3 ECB. That's a limit of, I don't know if that's a 2 or a 7. I'm thinking that should be a 2, but look at the ad once it's really clear. So there is some good deals. The Chic, spend 20 get 10 ECB. This one is a little blurry, but it continues from what we've been seeing the other weeks. For the vitamins, Most of them are buy one get one free, and some of those, like the one you can see there, you get 5 ECB. So it was a little blurry for that page. Then it continues for the cold and flu season. This is a time that is good to find those good deals to start stocking up, because then when we need them, we sometimes could probably pay too much. So it's good to be seeing that they're starting to promote those deals. For canes and walkers, spend 20, you get 5 ECB. So I think that's a good deal right there too. For this section, you spend 15, get 5. For any summer's eve, and for psoriasis gold bond, buy one get one 50% off. And then for the Lumify, which is almost a new item, we'll be seeing promotion about it. It shows the price, and we should be expecting a coupon for that. For any of the products there, you spend 15, get 5. That section in red. So it's a lot to choose from, mix and match. The following page, I love the way they designed the Johnson & Johnson buy one get one 50% off. And they say we're expecting a $2 coupon. So they look really cute, and they're already promoting it. I don't see any ECBs for it, but at least we're getting a coupon, and I'll see if that's a good deal. For the Huggies are going to be on special. There's different items there that is going to be buy one get one 50% off. Here we have some Aleve and Excedrin, Motrin, Tylenol, Advil, the Thermacare, the Arnicare. On the other section, you would be getting an ECB for that one. So there's some deals there. We'll see throughout the week if it's worth stocking up on those. So, and then for this page, it's going to be promoting more of the chocolate and candy. The side, you just get the Venus and Gillette, buy 2 get 8. And for the Nature Bounty is buy 1 get 1 50% off. And the section is going to promote again the Lysol, buy 1 get 1 50% off. The Back to School is still promoting it again in this page. So this is the end of the ad. As you can see, there's many good offers, many good deals. Just briefly going over them, there's some good ones and freebies. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the best deals, which is another video that I do share. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. You're getting ready for the ad and also getting ready to know which coupons we might be getting this Sunday. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.